Hi, hello everyone. This is Sivaram Kishan, Assistant Professor, Department of International Business, Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to explain about Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA. FEMA Introduction. The central government of India formulated an act to encourage external payments across the borders trades in India known as Foreign Exchange Management Act. FEMA was introduced in the year 1999 to replace an earlier act, FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FEMA was formulated to fill all the loopholes and drawback of FERA, and hence several economic reforms were introduced under the FEMA Act. FEMA was basically introduced to deregularize and have a liberal economy in India. Next, objectives of FEMA. The main objectives of FEMA was to help facilitate external trade and payments in India. It was also meant to help orderly development and maintenance of foreign exchange market in India. It defines the procedures, formalities, dealings of all foreign exchange transactions in India. These transactions are mainly classified under two categories: current account transaction and capital account transaction. Next, applicability of FEMA Act. FEMA is applicable to the whole of India and equally applicable to the agencies and offices located outside India which are owned or managed by an Indian citizen. The head office of FEMA is situated in New Delhi and known as Enforcement Directorate. FEMA is applicable to foreign exchange, foreign security, exportation of any commodity and or service from India to a country outside India, importation of any commodity or services from outside India, securities as defined under Public Debt Act 1994, purchase, sale and exchange of any kind, that is transfer, banking, financial and insurance services, any overseas company owned by an NRI, that is non-resident of Indian, and the owner is 60% or more, any citizen of India residing in the country or outside, that is NRI. Next, categories. The current account transactions under the FEMA Act has been categorized into three parts, which namely transactions prohibited by FEMA, the transaction requires central government permission, the transaction requires RBI's permission. Next, transactions for which central government prior approval is required for drawal of foreign exchange, that is cultural tours, advertisement in print media of a foreign country for any purpose other than promoting tourism, international bidding and foreign investments by a state government and its public sector units, payment of importation by a public sector unit or a department of government on CAF basis only for importation through ocean transport, remittance of freight of vessels charactered, remittance of detention charges of container exceeding the DGS, that is Director General of Shipping, prescribed rate, remittance of prize money or sponsorship of any activity of sports outside India by a person other than national or international or street level sports bodies if the amount of the prize money or sponsorship exceeds 1 lakh US dollars. Remittance of hiring charges of transporters, internet service providers, TV channels, remittance for P&I Club Ministry membership, remittance by multimodal transport operators to agents in abroad. Next, major provisions of FEMA Act 1999. Here our major provisions are free transactions on current account subject to reasonable restrictions that may be imposed, RBI controls over capital account transactions, control over realization of export proceeds, dealing in foreign exchange through authorized persons like authorized dealer or money charger, etc. Appeal provision including special director, Directorate of Enforcement. Any person can sell or withdraw foreign exchange without any prior permission from RBI and then can inform RBI later. Enforcement Director will be more investigate in nature. FEMA recognized the possibility of capital account convertibility. The violation of FEMA is a civil offence. FEMA is more concerned with the management rather than regulations or control. FEMA is a regulatory mechanism that enables RBI and central government to pass regulations and rules relating to foreign exchange in tune with foreign trade policy of India. Conclusion. As per Section 3 of FEMA, all the current account transactions are free. However, central government at any time could impose reasonable instruction by issuing special rules. As per Section 6 of FEMA, capital account transactions are permitted only to the extent as specified by RBI in its issued regulations. As per Section 10 of FEMA, RBI have controlling role in its management. However, RBI cannot directly handle foreign exchange transaction and must authorize a person to deal with it as per directions set by RBI. FEMA also have provisions of various enforcement, penalties, adjudication and appeals in this area. Thank you.